Welcome back guys to my channel Junior Mastermind. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, then go ahead and click on the subscribe button. Press the bell notification icon for the latest updates. Today we will be talking about how to make a simple program to check whether you can vote or not in C++. Like this. If I enter my age, if it's equal or greater than 18, then we can vote, or else we can't. Like this. So for that, I'll create a new file and I'll save it on desktop. Check whether the user can vote or not. Hash include iostream using namespace std. Int main, which is our main function, and then we returning 0 as the return type of this function is int. And here we have included iostream, which is a preprocessor unit. Here I'll create one boolean called canVote, which will be false or whether it would be false or true. CanVote. And here I'm gonna create a variable of age that should be of int data type, because we will hold our age and it would be in number like 82, 1, 64, like this. I am commenting here age variable to take input from user. Here I will write cout, enter your age. What actually this sentence will do? Cout is used to display something, and the thing you have written, the sentence you have written in double quotes is a string. If you write endl, a new line will be generated if you write another cout. Or some another input or output command like this, cin age. When I'll run this, you can see we will be able to take input of our age as intended. Like, now what we will do, we'll check if the age is greater or equal to 18, then can the person vote? Yes, then absolutely the person can vote. If the age is less or equal to 0, less than 18, then can vote equals false. Suppose I write my age as 11, then I am not able to vote. If the age is less or equal than 0, then can vote equals false, because that's invalid age. And I would write here cout, the age is invalid. After that, I'll come over here, write if the age is greater than or equal than 100, then canVote equals false. Cout. Only some people are able to live more than 100 years. But in many cases it is not possible, or we can change it to something like 110. Here then I will create one more if statement which will say canVote. For beginners, I will not write only canVote, I will change it to canVote equals true. If nothing is specified like canVote equals true, then it will understand that the bool we have written, means the boolean we have written, is by default true, like this. canVote. Now here what I'll do, I'll say if we can vote, then it will say you can vote. Else if canVote is false, or we can simply write canVote. Whenever we put an exclamation mark like this over here, which is logical not symbol, if we put like this, then the statement will be always false. Here then I'll write you can't vote. If I run the program, you can see we got an error. This is because we have written over here like this. We should put two symbols like this, not only one. This is the rule that you have to remember. Okay. Enter your age. Let me enter 12. You can't vote. As you can see, it said that I can't vote. Okay, great. Enter your age. 1000. The age is invalid. You can't vote. Awesome. Enter your age. That's 19. Yes, I can vote. Awesome. That's what I wanted. If I write some negative value or 0 like this, then you can see the age is invalid, you can't vote. Even I put a character over there. Okay, that's it for this video. I think you have learned from this video how can you create a simple system. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, share, subscribe and comment my channel. We are very close to 100 subscribers. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel.